If you're looking for a more convenient way to enjoy fresh water without repeatedly refilling bottles or waiting for it to chill in the refrigerator, a water dispenser could be the perfect solution. These appliances provide instant access to both hot and cold water, helping save time and simplify everyday tasks. With so many options available, however, finding the right model can be challenging. In this video, we'll explore some of the best water dispensers on the market, highlighting their key features and benefits. Whether you need one for your home, workplace, or shared space, this list includes excellent choices to suit a variety of needs and preferences. The Brio 500 is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed to dispense hot, cold, and room temperature water. The bottom-loading design allows for easy replacement of water bottles without the need to lift heavy containers, providing significant convenience and reducing the risk of back strain. Constructed from durable stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, this dispenser can accommodate standard 5-gallon water bottles. It features tri-temperature dispensing, offering hot water up to 198 degrees Fahrenheit, cold water as low as 39 degrees Fahrenheit, and room temperature water. This flexibility makes it ideal for a variety of beverages, from hot teas to chilled refreshments. A standout feature of the Brio 500 is its self-cleaning function. Utilizing ozone technology, the dispenser can effectively eliminate bacteria and biofilms, ensuring the cleanliness and safety of the water with minimal effort. Simply press the self-cleaning button, and the unit maintains its hygiene automatically. For enhanced safety, especially in homes with children, the hot water spout is equipped with a two-step dispensing process and a child safety lock, preventing accidental hot water pours. The dispenser also includes an empty bottle indicator, notifying users when it's time to replace the water bottle, and a night light, which improves visibility in low-light conditions and helps avoid spills. The large dispense point is designed to easily fill and refill larger bottles and pitchers, adding to the overall convenience. With its robust design, practical features, and focus on safety, the Brio 500 is an excellent choice for both home and office settings, providing reliable and safe water dispensing for daily use. The Primo Deluxe is a premium self-cleaning appliance designed to provide easy access to cool, ice-cold, and piping hot water. This bottom-loading dispenser is user-friendly with push-button controls and eliminates the need for heavy lifting, making bottle replacement straightforward and mess-free. It supports 3 or 5-gallon bottles, including Primo purified water with minerals, which undergoes a multi-step reverse osmosis process for high-quality drinking water. Additionally, users can refill their bottles at Primo self-service refill stations, ensuring a constant supply of fresh water. Key features of the Primo Deluxe include its self-sanitization capability, which uses ozone technology to eliminate germs and bacteria in the water line and tank, ensuring clean and safe water. The unit's stainless steel water reservoirs and door add durability and a sleek look, while the removable dishwasher-safe drip tray simplifies maintenance. The dispenser also has a child-resistant safety feature for the hot water spout, providing an essential safety measure for households with young children. The dispenser's design includes several user-friendly features such as an LED night light to illuminate the water spouts, LED indicators for heating, cooling, and low water levels, and quiet heating and cooling operations. With a large 3-liter cold tank and a 1-liter hot tank, it ensures a sufficient supply of water at all times. The materials that come into contact with the water are BPA-free, emphasizing health and safety. By using reusable 3 or 5-gallon water bottles, the Primo Deluxe also promotes an eco-friendly lifestyle, reducing waste from single-serve bottles and disposable filters. The Soopyk water dispenser is a versatile and practical appliance for both home and office environments. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, this dispenser offers a range of features that cater to diverse needs. One of its standout features is the bottom load design, which allows users to load 3 to 5-gallon water bottles into the base of the dispenser, eliminating the need to lift heavy bottles overhead. This not only saves counter space, but also makes the process more ergonomic and less strenuous. The dispenser provides 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, enabling users to customize their drinking experience. This versatility makes it suitable for various purposes, from making hot beverages to enjoying a refreshing cold drink. Maintaining hygiene is a breeze with the self-cleaning function, which utilizes built-in UV light to purify the water and prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the water tank and lines. This feature ensures that every sip is fresh and clean. Constructed with a durable steel frame, the dispenser is built to last and withstand regular use. Safety is also a priority, with a child safety lock on the hot water spout to prevent accidental dispensing and a nightlight feature for visibility in low light settings. Additionally, the dispenser includes a removable drip tray for easy cleaning and maintenance. With its combination of convenience, safety, and functionality, the Soopyk water dispenser is an excellent addition to any home or office, providing a reliable source of water at the desired temperature. The Igloo water dispenser is a stylish and practical appliance designed for homes, offices, and dorms. Its standout feature is the bottom-loading design, which eliminates the need to lift heavy 3- or 5-gallon water bottles, making refills easy and spill-free. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with back problems or who want to avoid the hassle of lifting. The dispenser offers 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature. This versatility allows users to prepare a variety of beverages and foods, from refreshing cold drinks to hot tea, coffee, or instant soup. The hot water spigot is equipped with a child safety lock, ensuring safety and preventing accidental burns. Aesthetically, the dispenser is available in a range of finishes, including stainless steel for a modern look and vibrant retro colors like red for a vintage-inspired touch. Its compact and space-saving design makes it suitable for any setting, fitting easily on countertops or in smaller spaces. Functionality is enhanced by user-friendly features such as 3 push buttons for easy water dispensing and a removable drip tray for effortless cleaning. LED indicator lights on the control panel provide information on power status, heating, cooling, and water levels, adding to the convenience. In summary, the Igloo water dispenser combines functionality, safety, and style. Its bottom-loading design, temperature versatility, and retro aesthetic make it a perfect addition to any home, office, or dorm room, offering a convenient solution for hot, cold, and room temperature water needs. The Avalon is an advanced water dispensing unit designed to offer convenience and hygiene for both home and office use. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy maintenance, while the bottom-loading design simplifies the process of replacing water bottles, eliminating the need to lift heavy jugs. This unit supports 3- to 5-gallon water bottles and features a range of functionalities to enhance user experience. Key features include 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, catering to various preferences and needs. The inclusion of the BioGuard antimicrobial coating on high-touch surfaces helps prevent the growth of bacteria, ensuring a cleaner and safer water dispensing experience. For added safety, especially in households with children, the hot water spout is equipped with a child safety lock to prevent accidental dispensing of hot water. User convenience is further enhanced by easy-to-use push-button spouts and a built-in nightlight that illuminates the water spouts, making it easier to use in low-light conditions. The empty bottle indicator provides timely alerts when the water bottle needs replacement, ensuring an uninterrupted water supply. Certified by UL and NSF, the dispenser meets high safety and sanitation standards. The Avalon is an innovative appliance designed to fit seamlessly into modern kitchens and offices with its sleek stainless steel cabinet. Its bottom-loading feature reduces the risk of spills and strain associated with lifting heavy bottles. Overall, this water dispenser combines convenience, safety, and hygiene, making it a practical and reliable choice for daily water dispensing needs.